ADA BDC. So for ADA against BDC, not too good. We crossed the skinny pink line. We attempted to slice back up. We got pulled back down. Is there a possibility for ADA to hit higher again towards the skinny pink line? Of course. Any clear signs of a proper, bullish reversal? No. Is this a bearish continuation? Again, it's not so clear at the moment for ADA against BDC. We have a target over here at 7,000. So there is that possibility that ADA could still hit higher, right? But if ADA does drop, hey, this will be good. Good in the sense that ADA could be completing wave C. If you look at the bigger picture, always look at the bigger picture. Look at the master plan. A, B, C, D, E. And then we say sayonara. Yeah, so potentially we could get that. And this could tie in very well. The timing of everything could tie in very well to the next cycle of the Bitcoin halving at 2024 in 2 years' time. So yeah, I just feel that potentially more downside to be expected for ADA against BTC. I just don't think that we're going to start reversing like that, right? If you look at last month, we closed the month with this is a very, very big shooting star. It's a shooting star on the monthly. What's happening? Yeah, it's a 1 month shooting star. So if anything, shooting stars are bearish chart patterns, and yeah, potentially more downside is to be expected for ADA against BDC. We'll probably get a mountain range of sorts, and then we head lower, right? Could we still see bounces here and there? Yeah, sure, of course. But this is not a high quality tradable chart pattern. Not at this point of time, right? ADA against USDT. Yeah, we were actually expecting ADA to form a proper head and shoulders, but we're not getting it. We are not getting it. The whales are not giving it to us. And so we are getting something else instead. Are we going to rally back up? Not too sure. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? No, we don't see it. Could we still pop lower? Yes, we could. Sure, you may argue that there are hammers. Hammer, 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 right? There is buying pressure. Long wicks at the bottom means buying pressure. So we could see some sort of a reversal. Not too sure myself. And then over here, left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. As the skinny pink line comes down, we could see a slice back up above the skinny pink line. Absolutely possible. More upside to come for ADA if we get a proper bullish reversal. But I don't see it yet, right? I need to see the momentum bringing us higher. But the momentum is down at the moment, right? We have been largely in a downtrend, and things still aren't really looking that good for ADA. We have already collapsed 70%. So yeah, it's very bad actually for ADA. But even if we do bounce, I suspect that the skinny pink line would act as a resistance. We could bounce off of it, and we could still head lower. This whole thing could be an A, B, C, bringing us to 50 cents. It could be brutal. It could be brutal for ADA. But yeah, at this point of time, we're still not too sure. But if we do see the collapse of ADA, there will be support at about sub 40 cents. Yeah, there is a potential for us to drop to sub 40 cents. Absolutely possible, right? So, oh my god, be careful, be careful. We're under the skinny pink line, right? ADA has gone on a very largely great run from the very bottom, right, to the very top. ADA was up 167x. If you had 1,000 at the bottom, you would have 167,000 at the top. 10,000 at the bottom, you would have 1.67 million at the top. So again, largely, ADA has gone on a very great run, right? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ADA is largely done. The impulsive wave is already largely done, and we are already correcting. This is a very deep correction. 70% is not a small dip. It's a big correction. So there could be rallies, but I feel that this rally could be an ABC in the making, right? And this could bring us to sub 50 cents and potentially sub 40 cents. So yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. So be careful. Be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for ADA.